General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
It's like 2 or something. It must have just been a lag. Should be good. It's only one. Alright, cool. Let's do Thursday or do Friday and Saturday. Friday. Friday was the 17th. Let's go here. Nasdaq. Yeah, Monday was the anchor. No TGIF. We was looking for TGIF. This daily delivery log. See how we just sat on top of the open range gap too? It was kind of a lot of those days. Like we either stay up under it or stay above it. This was a cool little entry though. The little dip inside to ride it up. That was actually the only good trade. This kind of gives you the New York OTE. For sure, this the OTE retracement. This is the model from CTOTE pattern recognition series. Where we take previous day's high Okay. All right. It's the supply and demand trader stream with the rally base, rally base, rally base, rally, like textbook. Textbook rally base delivery. So no chance for retracements. Yeah, really. That happens a lot too in UJ. UJ used to do that a lot. A very large range week. Um, you gotta expect some chop after that. You just have to. You don't ever want to expect a chop, but it's kind of a good thing to expect it, especially after easy days and easy weeks, because it's really cycles we trade in. It's gonna look exactly like Nasdaq. Here we go, the turtle. Okay, bodies. Can't wait to 50%. But we're gonna see a lot of that since we had all-time high. Take a high, retrace, push, take a high, A B C D or ABC. I think that's what it is. Expansion pattern. We see after taking new highs, we have to start busting out the premium weeks to trading at all-time high. That that little concept. Yeah, nothing stands out. That 200 was it, huh? They gave you plenty of time too. It's like, nah, you ain't doing your TGIF target. And we pushing big. Yeah, it was just the same movie. It definitely was no TGIF. Do the stocks. Mm-hmm. Crazy, huh? Just it's a small range day too. We'll look bigger on the daily. Today's range at $10. Just squeeze back down though. We got 722 for SPY. Next level. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't got no loss here. I'm thinking about the retracement to get back up to the field. What we got over here, 656. Yeah. We didn't even have the big earnings yet. The big earnings that's coming, like Nvidia and all that. Hold on, wait, Control Z. Control Z. I'm gonna hit something. Q 30. There we go. I mean, this uptrend is a statement. So I mean, a little. Well, the ceasefire. I think the ceasefire helped. Be at all-time highs. For real. F it, we ball. No, I was looking for all-time high. No TGIF. The price is really one-sided. And sentiment is super bullish. crazy is I need to look at the fear and greed. This is study because did we flip from fear to greed? No. Yes. Lord. Okay. CNN, fear and greed. It don't take much. Do it. It really don't. And y'all just greedy. That's what it is. But hey, I say, man, we gonna stop shooting at each other for 2 weeks. All right, I'm gonna be greedy. Green light. Let's go. Wow, it's greedy already. Hey, which models? Head, which models? Miss. All right. Just let me look. Monday. It's beautiful how they use that. The open range gap strategies are good. Bread and butter. So that's Monday. I see. Tuesday, one sided. Probably could have found something there, but it wasn't. You can overlook form fit something that's not textbook. Wednesday was smooth because it was Tuesday low of the week. I mean, London low of the day. Let's see, Thursday. Thursday was the only real model given day where it's like New York reversal took out London. It's just more of a retracement. One side of the week. Only one New York reversal profile. That's the only New York reversal. There's not even no. We got one tacky classic buy day. One New York reversal. It'll be a form fit, never OTE. Patience, discipline, confidence. Okay. Don't deal with patience. The class is keeping busy. And engaging. Fish study log. No, not yet. But I probably should do some on those drills. Experience earned this week. Looking more at gap setups, seeing how they affect bread and butter approaches. Next week, improvement focus, ICT drills, power 3 charts. Let's get some good old AMD. Move these charts. So it's like AMD, where did price accumulate? We accumulated a little bit right here, but there is no accumulate. This gets manipulated. Like when the last time we had a stop hunt, probably down here. You can say this is the closest we got. If you took out those stops. But it's a one-sided week. It's not really AMD. Just push. Just a little accumulation in the basis. Yeah, I ain't gonna have no power 3 charts. There's no power 3. It's gonna be power 1 expansion. See if we accumulated anything on SPY. Maybe SPY did the accumulation, so NASDAQ didn't have to. Yeah, that's it. We got these here. Really no manipulation. The manipulation is the sideways because you thought maybe it was turning around. Let's look at SPY. That's probably where it's at. Nah, it ain't over here either. It's interesting though. We made sure to get the stops, so that is real. Something had to get accumulated. It didn't have to get manipulated though. Well, that could have been a 2 and 1. That's good. All right. So, have a good day. Peace.